think LED lights are saving you money? You might be wrong. There are things the manufacturers don't want you to know. Things that could affect your electricity bill, your health, and even your home. The truth about cheap LEDs: poor quality drivers cause flickering and fire risk. Low PF equals they consume more power than labeled. Fake lumen wattage claims: you get less than what you paid for. Energy efficiency myth: not all LEDs are efficient. Cheap LEDs often waste more power. High CRI and PF greater than 0.9 equals real efficiency, not just wattage. Color temperature confusion: people buy the wrong color temp. Cool white versus warm white. Using wrong light temp can affect sleep, mood, or focus. 5 things to check before buying any LED. Check PF, power factor. Look for high CRI greater than 90. Check for certifications, CE, BIS, UL. Use LEDs with flicker-free drivers. Always compare actual lumens, not just wattage. Don't fall for the marketing. Be smart, be informed. Share this video with someone planning to upgrade their home or office lights. It might just save them a lot of money and a headache. Subscribe to LED Insiders, where we expose the truth behind the lights.